That's it. Oh, right. So look. What do you reckon?
Yeah. Right. Just hold it like that and like...
Go on then.
Have a close up of the engine.
This is the engine.
Let me see the rights it say on the writing.
Instructions or something, I don't know.
Something about instructions.
It goes right in there.
So is it an electric charge?
Yeah, it's like a little...
So-
you've got the plug.
Don't wear nylon clothes then.
No.
Everybody evacuate!
She's in there. And these bend out.
Don't press it! No! Look, it's wire connected.
Right.
God.
I don't know. Right, come on boys, come out.
I don't want to.
That's right, yeah, so all brave suddenly.
Does that fit in?
A little bit of a fail on the measurements there. Never mind, what I
Oh.
think. I've just done a bit of adjustment.
It's not a lot to go wrong, really, is there?
It's going to be, the force is going to be pushing up anyway. But we've got to do the parachute.
Well, I'm not in charge of the one.
Stick it in your dad's pocket. On his jumper. Or his trousers. Lovely in this one. How confident are you of this working, Nige?
About on a scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah.
6.
2.
2, maybe pushing a 3. Let's see. Right. So what do you do with this? You have to,
It says on the instructions how to fold it properly.
you have to roll it from both sides, I think.
No, remember, high, roll.
Hold that. Don't press the button till I say.
No, I'm not, remember?
Yeah, hold it. Don't press the button.
So when it comes to court, it'd be, well, who was the person who pressed the button? And we'll all point to Nigel. Let me stand back. Not yet. Let me get the right position.
Yeah, look, it's facing that way.
Right, there we go. Hang on.
So when I was recording, was I recording my face?
Yeah, we changed it. You can try it. Hang on. Right. I think we're alright. Dan, you ready? Wait for the wind to drop a bit. Hang on. Aidan, what's going to happen?
We're going to launch this.
Not yet, hang on. Hang on then.
Okay.
Not yet, hang on, I'll step back. Right, you can do a countdown. 3, 2, 1, go!
Yes! It's gone! Hey! It's got a bit of a spin. Yeah.
Guys, how high was that? You can land on the rest. Come on, boys, go and run and catch it!
You could see a bit of wadding following behind.
Come on, it's got...
Oh, it's brilliant.
Success! Let's have a look. Well done. How about that? Was that a good one?
That was a good one. That was our most successful launch so far.
I think so.
Graham! Graham! Parachute deploy!
The expert folding, bro.
What did you build?
I don't know. To be honest, I'm not sure.
That was